If you have ever done cold outreach, you already know the biggest bottleneck: finding a stable, high-volume way to generate fresh B2B leads without burning through your budget on expensive external platform credits. What you are looking at right now is a live demonstration of our dedicated B2B Lead Engine. At the absolute core of this software is a highly resilient queue management system designed specifically for heavy-duty operations. Instead of babysitting your tools and loading tasks one by one, you can load up to 2,000 target keywords into a single job sequence. The system is built to process these massive, complex batches completely in the background. It runs autonomously for days and even weeks at a time. You configure the campaign parameters just once, hit start, and let the machine handle the entire heavy lifting. Now let's pause here for a moment and look at the screen to see how the engine actually performs in real time. As the task initiates, the system connects natively and starts scanning target sources. Within just a few moments, you will see the very first verified B2B leads starting to populate our live data table. But we aren't just scraping raw data here. The biggest headache in modern lead generation is bounce rates. Sending emails to dead addresses will quickly destroy your domain reputation and land you straight in the spam folder. We solved that fundamentally. The engine features a built-in real-time SMTP verification system. This means every single email address found by the scraper is immediately validated live against mail servers before it ever hits your database. If an address is invalid, fake, or dead, it gets rejected on the spot, ensuring your data remains pristine from day one. As the list continues to grow live on the screen, notice how the data is structured. The engine automatically filters out bad leads, but it also handles deduplication natively at the database level. If an organization or email has already been gathered in a previous run, the system instantly identifies and blocks the duplicate contact. You will never export the same lead twice, saving you hours of tedious cleanup inside Excel or Google Sheets. This engine is also built without geographical limits. It natively handles deep data extraction across all European Union and United States domains. Whether you are targeting local businesses in small European cities or massive enterprises across the US, the system adapts its search patterns to give you maximum global reach and total market coverage. While you watch the numbers tick up, let's talk about data security. While the application builds a highly structured, intelligent database inside the user interface for you to browse, it simultaneously exports a live, continuous backup directly into your local files. This dual-layer architecture means that even if your network drops or your system encounters an unexpected interruption, every single lead you have gathered up to that exact second is completely safe, saved, and ready to use. What truly sets this solution apart, however, is total, granular flexibility. Every single feature you see on this dashboard is fully configurable. You have absolute control over the execution speed and system footprint. You can fine-tune the simultaneous threads to manage exactly how fast the engine scrapes web pages and how quickly it fires the SMTP verification checks. If you want to toggle off the free domain filter, skip email validation for a quick raw run, or adjust threading based on your performance needs, you can do it with a single click to ensure uninterrupted 24/7 performance without draining your local computer's resources. The entire software is deployed on a dedicated VPS server. This allows the system to grind through your 2,000 keyword queues day and night, even while your main computer is completely turned off. We can deploy the software directly onto your own existing server, or you can use our pre-configured, fully managed infrastructure. We handle the technical heavy lifting, server optimization, and setup, so you can focus entirely on what matters most: running your campaigns and closing new deals. Take a look at the final results on the screen. Clean, unique, and fully verified B2B leads, generated completely on autopilot. Ready to stop buying outdated databases and fully automate your outreach infrastructure? Drop a comment right below this video, and I will personally send you the link with all the details to get started today. Thanks for watching.